Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG refrigerator rail guide assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new rail guide assembly. The rail guide assembly is what the drawer rides on in the refrigerator. The main reason you'll be changing it out if it's damaged and the drawer is not opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up both refrigerator doors. Now that we have the doors open, we have access to the rail guide assembly. It's located over here on the left-hand side. First, we have to remove these lower shelves. We're just going to lift them up and pull them out and set them aside. Then we're going to remove these three drawers. All you have to do is pull them out, lift up on them. For the glass, you just have to lift up from the bottom and then pull it out. This whole assembly has to come out as one piece, so we're just going to lift up on the front. And then once you have it broke free, we're going to turn it and pull it all the way out. Then we have to remove the lower drawer. Just have to pull it out and lift up on it and pull it out the rest of the way. Now we have access to the rail guide assembly. It's just held in by a couple screws in the front. We're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, there's a little tab on the back that's holding it in. So we're just going to pull on the front a little bit and then slide it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old refrigerator rail guide assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the rail guide in, you just want to make sure that the tab goes into the little slot in the back. Just have to line it up and push it into place. Once you have it in, we can use the Phillip screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can put everything back in the fridge. To put the lower drawer in, just want to make sure that the rollers on the drawer go over the ones on the rail guides. And you can slide it back into place. In order to put the assembly in, you want to make sure it sets on the rail guide on each side. In order to put it in, we're just going to lift it in at the same angle that you took it out at. Just push it in. And then put the back in first so it drops down in there. And then drop the front down so it locks in. Once you have that in, we can put the glass back in. Just want to make sure the rear corners go in first, and then you can lower it down. To put the drawers in, we're going to put the right one in first. You want to make sure you push the door all the way open. It's a little bit tight because this door is so wide, so you just want to open it all the way, and then just get it at the right angle and put it in. Once you have that one in, the other two just slide in. Now we can put the shelves in. All you have to do is push them in there at an angle and hook the back in and let them drop down. The other side goes on the same way. Once you have everything put back together, we can close the refrigerator doors, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.